What is the Allay in Minecraft? Explained. It is always exciting when Minecraft adds a new mob to the game. Regardless if it is hostile or helpful, seeing the world grow a little bit more with new life is great to see. Among the new features included in Minecraft's 1.19, the Wild update is a new flying creature called the Allay. Here is what you need to know about it. Allays are new friendly mobs that can be found in pillager outposts or woodland mansions. You can find 1 to 3 locked up in small jail cells when you find these structures. Once you free them, they will begin flying around aimlessly until you give them an item. When you interact with an Allay with an item in your hand, you will give it to them. They will then begin flying around the area looking for the same item that they can pick up to give to you. If you interact with it with nothing in your hand, you will take away whatever it was holding, and it will stop looking for that item. It can hold up to 1 full stack of the selected item. Unfortunately, the Allay does not mine blocks on its own, so you cannot send it off into a mine and expect it to come back with diamonds. Since Allays only pick up items that are already broken down, this makes them a prime candidate for collecting items from a mob farm you build, something like this one designed for pillager raids. If you give them a totem of undying and they are attacked, they will avoid death using the item. If your Allays are flying around the area making it hard for you to interact with them, you can place a note block down and begin playing music on it. When an Allay hears the sound, it will fly to the note block and drop its gathered items. It will then search the area surrounding the note block for more items to gather. At any time, Allays will stay within 64 blocks of you and pick up items within 32 blocks around you. Even if you cannot see them, they are likely somewhere within your vicinity.